received quotes that are worlds apart and confused about why? Feeling like you are overpaying and no one explains why? Don't worry, it's common. Today, I will break down the anatomy of a mental 3D printing quote in 5 minutes. You will never look at a quote the same way again. Drive 1. Material and volume. This is not just material consumed, but machine time occupied. A full-time titanic part will inherently cost more than a small aluminum one. Drive 2. Complexity and risk premium. Symbols, internal channels, and overheads at support. Print time, and most importantly, failure risk. The cost is an insurance against technical challenge. Drive 3. Post-processing, from standard blasting to precise CNC machining. Each is a value-added service with a clean price. Delivery, specific service finish, and tolerance grades. Drive 4. Order quantity. Cost isn't linear. Batch production spreads the machine setup cost. Orders over 50 units, typically qualified for competitive tiered pricing. So, how do you save? 3 strategies. 1. Design optimization. Holding and lattice structures can reduce weight by up to 16%. 2. Batch ordering. Consolidate orders to share the setup cost. 3. Process selection. For simple geometries, ask us for a comparative SLM vs CNC quote. Now you understand the framework. The path to a precise design-specific quote is through action. For an instant estimate, use our online quoting tool. Upload your STP file for a real-time price. For expert optimization and a precise quote, email hello@unionfab.com. We will provide a free DFM analysis and a formal quotation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.